जय राम कृष्ण हरी बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today here Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us about pilgrimage. What is mean that? And this Avang serial number is 28. When we are living in this world, if we are belongs any religion, no matter, but they have one concept which is called pilgrimage. Means some pilgrims are there. We need to go there yearly, weekly, monthly. In lifetime, some one day we have to go there to see the God, to see how He is. And that's nature. Here Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us. Triguna Trembaka in Maharashtra, Nashik is there. And out of 12 Jyotirlinga, 12 Jyotirlinga, one Jyotirlinga is there, and that name is Trembakeshwar. That is my Bhagwan Shiv Shankar, who have three naina, three netra. So that's called Trembakeshwar. And once we reach there, what I have seen, that experience, my Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us here. Trigun. This world have three types of people. That is called Trigunatmaka. Means Raj, Tam and Sattva. Sattva is nothing but purity. Everything is pure quality, like good thought, good action, good behavior, habit. Everything is pure. That is called Sattva, Satvik Bhava. Next will come Raj. Raj is nothing but some karmanyavadika, means we have to do some task, we have to do some work, and that time we have some deserve, we have to doing something, that is called Raj. And once we are doing those things, that time we will tell I am doing, because their presenceness is there. Because I am doing. But when we are the Satvik Bhava, that time that ego something is not there. Like that time we have feeling, due to God blessing I am doing all those things. But when we are the Raj Guna person, that time what we are thinking, when we will tell some knowledge, or we will give something, or we are doing some action, that time we have that ego. So that is called Raj. And Tamas means laziness. They don't want to do anything. They just idle person. They just want to sit lazily and eat and sleep. This is work full day. They will spend full life. That is called Tamoguna. This is a Trigunatmak world. After that, he is telling, my Bhagwan Shiv Shankar have three naina. What is nature of that three naina? So we have three vision about God. First vision is God is my owner, and I am, means one bhakta, one devotee is a servant. So we have to serve everything, because he is owner, we are nothing, just we have to do our work, because God given permission to us to do that. If he want to take our breath out from this body, 1 second we will die. Nothing is there, everything in his hand. We are just living because his permission. So like this inner vision or vision is there, that is called God is owner and we are servant. Second vision is God is sun, like how sun is flashing light, and he that sun have some beams. So we are nothing, we are the beams, like that Swarupa. Means God is Paramatma and we are Atma Swarupa. Means indirectly we are the just beams, we are the ray of that sun. We are the Atma and God is a Paramatma. And third vision is God is nothing but already existed in our heart. This Atma Swarupa means nothing but indirectly Paramatma Swarupa only. So who am I or anyone in this world? Every one body, that spirituality is there, and that spirituality Swarupa is God. So indirectly we all are the God, but we don't know, we don't have that feeling. For to know those things, we do some study, we grasp proper knowledge, and that one telling second, जीवी धरल्या देख पापे जाती. To grasp that type of knowledge, we need one Sadguru in our life who can tell us valid path of to know ourselves, who am I. And ज्ञान गंगाद्वारे नित्य स्नान करी. And in that Trembakeshwara, in that Nashika, one river is there, that name is Godavari. And like that in our life also, one knowledge river must require. Through that knowledge river, we need to take proper knowledge to do study about knowing ourselves, and to want or to expectation about knowing God. How is God, how he have made this universe, how this is running everything. To know all those things, we first need to read proper books, proper dharma grantha, Gita, Bhagavad, anything. But we have to, otherwise we don't know how is God. And to naye samsari partunya. And once we come to know this spirituality, then we that lifetime endless satisfaction we will get. That time we will there no worry, no tension, no stress, we will be feel happy. चुकवी 84 सद्गुरू आपणापाशी. In this world 84 lakhs animals are there, types of animals are there. In that only human being have that possibility to know this spirituality, to know how is God, to know who am I. Other animal don't have that sense, because God not given them that thinking power, that means everything God have blessed to human being only. See, just we can swim in water, we can fly in sky, we can live on the earth. So all qualities God have given to human being. Just we have to do some study, our inner vision we have to open and see the God which is already existed in our body. And then what will happen? Anika tirthachi kai chart. Then no need to walk here and there, no need to ask how is God, who is God, or no need to follow blindly any rules which are cutting animal on behalf of God or for God. Not required, because so many people are just blindly following some religion rules. They what are thinking, to cutting the animal for God is the one tradition, one something. But God is not asking to cut the animal. God is telling, do some Atma Chintana, take proper knowledge, then only you will come to know how is God. God is not asking about animal. We are eating that animal for our stomach purpose, for our hungriness, not for God. And we are telling that tradition, God tradition. No, it's not religion tradition. It is just we have made for our selfishness, our selfish purpose. तीर्थाचे अधिष्ठान Sadguru Nidana. After that he told, to know all those things, we need one Sadguru in our life who can show us that path, because he know that those all difficulty, so he can tell easily where we have to be careful. And Pujaliya jana janma nahi. And we must have trust on the word of Sadguru. If you don't have trust on the word of Sadguru, then what will happen? We can't walk on that path. Then what will think? is this way is better or that way is better. If confused mind is there, then full lifetime we will be stay like this, and one day we will die. Nothing will we get achieve in this life. Ganeshnath mane Goraksh Godavari. Finally he is telling, my Sadguru, my own experience, my Sadguru is Guru Gorakshanath, and he blessed me, and he Punarapi Samsara Yevnidi given that type of knowledge, which knowledge once I come to know, I feeling very satisfied. Now I don't have any ego. I am feeling like free bird, and I can see this spirituality, this God nature, everything. Now I don't have any limitations. I don't have any bindings. So this is a spirituality, and that's reason he is telling Punarapi Samsara means I will not like now this 84 lakhs circle, animal circle is there. Oh, whatever last day of death in expectation in our heart, that type of we will get next janma birth. So now I have stopped those things, because I now witness, I come to know this spirituality, this God power. So God is my parents, God is my father, God is everything for me, and for him I am the son. So he blessed me, and that's reason now I am feeling full happiness. Ganeshnath, 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 Ganeshnath. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.